Hello, I'm Terry Billingsley, and I'm the trades representative for Modern House Numbers in Tucson. As a trades customer of ours, I look forward to being your personal representative, assisting you with your new large projects and also smaller projects for commercial, industrial, high-rise, multifamily, and even custom orders. Use me for options and recommendations on your next project. I can provide dimensioned AutoCAD proofs, design assistance, custom order pricing, as well as other options that are made to fit your specific project. You can also visit the Trades tab on our website. Here you can easily complete your orders for house numbers, house letters, plaques, and even our quick ship number and letter sets, all in one convenient location. Additionally, you'll have access to our very important digital resources. These include our installation instructions, design guides, visibility and sizing guides, case studies, and also our technical specifications. So please give me a call or email me. I look forward to meeting you if I haven't met you previously, and I'm excited to work with you on your next project. So from all of us at Modern House Numbers, thank you very much.